Hey guys, welcome back to my stream. My name is Satyajit Patnaik, and you're watching my channel. In the last session, in the last Sunday session, I don't know if you had joined that session or not. We started a series where we wanted to discuss about LinkedIn. Many people who are currently, you know, into software engineering, into data science, analytics, LinkedIn plays a vital role in the social profile building. On top of that, we'll also be sharing about GitHub tips. So last session was not enough. Ruparanjan Mahapatra had joined the session in the last one. He also has like 75,000 followers. If you didn't go through that video, probably check it out in the description below. Today's session, as we couldn't complete a lot of things in the last session, today it's kind of an extended session. So in this session, majorly we will be focusing on how to get more followers like organically, how to create good contents, how do we search jobs on LinkedIn, which keywords to use, what not to use. And once we are done with that, then I will be talking about the GitHub part, how to create a good GitHub profile. And at the end, till wait till the last of the video, till the end of the video. Till the end of the video, I'll also be sharing you some of the tips how to get an abroad job, because I have also, I have been working in Hong Kong. I have seen many people migrating to UK, Canada, Australia. So I'll be giving you some tips which will help you out in finding a abroad job authentically through LinkedIn, nothing through I'll not be talking about some random shit. So anyways, so for this session, welcoming again Ruparanjan Mahapatra. He's a very close friend of mine and a part of a lot of data science communities. He has 75,000 followers on LinkedIn. So let's welcome after this intro. Ruparanjan, welcome to the stream. Yeah, you can just introduce yourself again and then get started with it.
Yeah, thank you, Satyajit. So, hi guys. I hope you have attended last lecture. So, if not, then you can go back to check that video because it is very important for everyone to see that video because optimizing your profile is very much necessary before starting you putting content or looking out a job or asking for referral. So, in the last 2 years, I have given referral to so many people while I was in Amazon, now in Eaton, and also through me I have given referral to people at Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, everywhere I have given people like referrals. But the thing is that not everyone asks for referral in a good way. So in this lecture I will talk about how to connect with people, and which kind of people you should connect, and how to get jobs easily. It will not going to be easy, but how we can do it in a better way so that our chance of getting job increases with time. Okay, so I think we should go to our screen so that we can see it practically, then going through all the like talk and all the things. So Satyajit, you can take it to my
Yeah,
screen.
so let me share your screen quickly.
Yeah,
I think we'll have it full screen. Yeah, I think this is better.
yeah, okay, uh, yeah, full screen is better. Okay,
Yeah.
so first we should see how we can uh, our we can increase our network. So you can see that if I will go to my network, there are so many people who have um, send me a connection request. So if you will see that, okay, I got a connection request, but there is no note that why this person want to connect with me. So I can go to his profile, then I have to see that, okay, this person is some business partner and relationship manager, but I don't know why he has connected with me. What better he could have done, he could have added a note. I can, if I will go to my thing, so you can see that, okay, this guy has asked, good afternoon sir, any opportunity for BTech CSC computer science pass out student in your company. So this guy added a note with his, when he sent a connection request. So uh, how we can find the people with whom we should connect? Let's go to home. Okay, and now we have to see that what is our purpose in LinkedIn. Okay, I want to, let's say I want a job in data analyst field. Okay, so who can help me to be a data analyst? The people who are sharing content on data analyst job or skills, and the people who are already in data analyst position, so that they can share their jobs in their company if there is some internal job opening, or if they have their company have asked them to refer some people, then they might be posting that one on LinkedIn. So if you are connecting with them, then it is better to like send them personalized message that okay, hi sir, hi whatever name his name, then you can send them message. So now I'll search data analyst. Let's say search senior data analyst, because if I am searching for a data analyst, so I want a person who is a senior data analyst so that I can better learn from him. Okay, so I am searching this one. Let it come. So once I search that one, then you can see that there is people, jobs, post, school, course, and all the thing. I need people who are senior data analyst. Okay, whatever your field is, be it like data science, software development, engineering, whatever it is. So you can check with them. So you can see that 8,98,000 results are coming. So I can't connect with so many people, only having limitation of having 30,000 or 40,000 connections in LinkedIn. So I will sort it out. Like I want only from India, because I want in jobs in India. So I'll connect with Indian people. And see, it reduced drastically. Now it's 1 lakh 13,000. Still, it's a huge number. You can't go to every person's profile and check what this person is doing and what he is not doing. So it is also a very big number. Then what I can do, I will go to current company. Let's say you are having a aim to work in like e-commerce company. E-commerce companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, then like that kind of company. If you want to work in that kind of company, you can put the company here. Then I can say that okay, I want to Flipkart. Okay, I want to flip people from Flipkart. Flipkart is my dream company. Some people might be having Amazon as their dream company. They can put their Amazon or something like that one. Or maybe you might be thinking of working in banks. Banks you can also work like HSBC Bank. Okay, HSBC, or like maybe Standard Chartered Bank. Or you might be thinking of working in auditing firm like big four companies. You can put it accordingly. Or if you don't want to sort it like that one, you can go to all filters. So here there are so many options that you can add. So I have added location as India. I am not giving any particular state or city, because I don't want to restrict on that one. Because now you can, due to work from home, all people are working from home. Might be some person's company might be in Bangalore. He might be have written that he's staying in his village. So like that one. So I don't want to restrict my search to that one. Past company also I don't want. Schools you can give that. Okay, let's say I have passed out from BPUT, that Biju Patnaik University of Technology. If someone is from my like same school, same university, and working in Amazon or Flipkart kind of company, so there will be a high chance that that person might be an ODI people. Okay, that way I can connect with him in a better way. Let's say search BPUT. Okay, now this uh, school name is coming. Then you can give one parameter to this one, or you can remove it. It is according to you. Okay. Then let's say industry. Okay, here there are so many industries. You can see that financial service, which company will come? All the banks kind of company will come in financial services. Management consulting, who are the management consulting companies? Those Deloitte, EY, then PwC, KPMG, then Grant Thornton, then we are having another company was there, big company was there, BCG kind of thing. Then those kind of company, if I want to target those companies, okay, I will put it management consulting, because my aim is to go to that kind of company. Okay, maybe if someone is outside India or something, then they can put this language profile and all the thing. But here in India, we most of us speak in English, so I will not put that one. And like that one, you hear also school name, company name, also directly you can put company name. here I am putting only management consulting, and let me put here Biju Patnaik University of Technology. So I want result from this thing. Now I can see that okay, there are only 17 member. You can see that Asirvad Das, he is a senior consultant in Deloitte, and this thing, let me go to his profile. Let's see what he is doing. Then Deepak Kumar Panigai, so you can see investor pharma and life science data science consultant. Okay, I think he data science. Why it is showing it? Because it data is there and analytics is here. So because of that one, it is showing. But I don't think this is a correct match for my what I am looking for. Still, I will look for his thing because only 17 search is there, so I can manage it to search one by one. But still, if the number is more, then you can skip those things. See, techno-functional banking consultant, maybe this guy is not a perfect thing. A senior consultant at UI, business consultant, data analyst, I think this guy is a perfect match for me. Okay, let me see other people also. Big data cloud engineer, JP Morgan, PwC, Deloitte, TCS. So see, I was looking for what kind of profile? Management consult person. See, this person is Akanksha, is in PwC, Deloitte. She also worked in this profile. Okay, let me check her profile. Then I can see that Saurabh Jha is also assistant manager in PwC, but he is working in SAP techno-functional consultant. I don't want to go to that one. So let me check these people. So I thought Akanksha was a good match. Let's see. We both studied in same school, and let's go and see associate senior consultant. She has not mentioned many things about her profile, what she is doing, and also she has not mentioned many things about her skills and all the thing. Apache Spark I don't need in, maybe not in data analyst, so I'll skip this one. Amazon Web AWS I don't need in data analyst, so I don't want to go through that one. So let's see, then these things are there. Then I have to go to their all activity. Okay, so even if some person is very like person profile is matching to the 100% what you are looking for, still go to their activity section. So you can see that Akanksha Pandey commented on this post. It was 2 weeks ago. That means in the last 2 weeks he has not having any interaction in LinkedIn, maybe liking some post. Forget about posting some content, she has not liked or commented on any post. That means she is not very active on this platform, so I can't rely her for any kind of work. Okay, if there is a job opening in her company and the deadline is tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if I am sending message to this person, then there is a chance she will not respond to my query because she is opening her LinkedIn maybe after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe after 2 months, we don't know. Okay, so this is not a perfect profile that I should connect with. Okay, let's see senior consultant at UI, Chinmay Kumar Vishal. So we will go through her profile, his profile. Senior consultant, SQL Server, R programming, Python, data analysis, somewhat uh, matching, but not that perfectly it is matching. So we'll go to that post. You can see last post was after before 1 week. Only likes this profile in last 1 week. So if I'll go to post, excited to say that I have joined EY as senior consultant, that is also 1 week prior. Before that one, there was prior to that one, it was 4 months ago. So he is also not very much active. Okay, so what mistake I have done? I selected BPUD. Maybe I will remove this option. Let it come from any of the university. Okay, I don't care about thing because since I am not getting, so now I get Yogendra Singh. You can see that senior data analyst at Boston Consulting Group. Okay, I like this company. Also, the profile looks matching, so I can go through this one. Oh, McKinsey. This is what I was talking about. McKinsey. I didn't get that name at that time. Okay, the company is McKinsey. Okay, and Tiger Analytics is there, but I am looking something from that kind of McKinsey or thing. Okay, still you can go to Rapido, Epsilon. I am not sure how which kind of company is Epsilon, but you can go to, like, if your target is like tech companies and like Walmart, Global Tech, and here also I'll take some few example. Okay, Ayush Singhal is also McKinsey, and Ankita Mathur is also from Boston Consulting Group. Okay, let's see. 10 year of he is having master in computer with 10 year of experience in BI analytic research. Okay, this looks very good, and he is having all the thing. Then let's go to his activity. You can see that he only is liking, but the last like was 3 months ago. Okay, so here I saw that it was 3 months ago. You can see that in 3 months, Yogendra Singh posted this one 3 months ago. So he is also not very active. So I'll skip this person. Okay, now you got how we can go through the profiles. Okay, senior data analyst at McKinsey. Okay, data analyst, senior data analyst, and some, okay, he data warehousing, SQL Server, and all the skills he is having. Let's go. He last activity is 1 week. You can look like that one, and still 2 months. So these persons are not that much active. Okay, that is the whole point of saying thing is like you have to connect with people who are very much active on LinkedIn. So those kind of people can reply you instantly. Let's say you are having a interview tomorrow, okay, and you want to get some tips from them, and from you are having an interview in McKinsey. If I will get a chance to work in McKinsey, I will not let that opportunity go, because that is a very good company. I always wanted to work in McKinsey and also Microsoft. So if I get a chance to work in McKinsey or Microsoft, I will not let it go. So you might be having some dream company or having a list of company where you want to work. You will not let it that chance go. But at the time, if you want to connect with this person and ask some tips for them from them, you will not be able to get from them. Okay, that you should take care of. This person also posted last 2 months ago. So getting a good connection is not easy also. Like you should not like just search names here and connect. You should not do like that one. You have to see who are the perfect people to connect with. You should not go randomly and add connect. It's not like that Instagram, you are searching all the heroines, Bollywood heroines, and you are going to follow, and you will get their pictures in feed. That way, it's not like that one. LinkedIn works little bit in different way, right? So you have to once, let's say you got the one profile, then you have the option to connect. If you will click this connect option, a connection request will go to her. But you can do it in a better way. Like you go to more, sorry, in connect option, here add a note is there. So this is a chance to go to their inbox and say that why you want to connect with them. Add a note, be specific that why you want to connect with them. Okay, add a note. There is a 300 words option for you. So 300 word is a very big thing. Even in our exam also we could not like complete like 300 words for some answers. So like I will write that, hi Ankita, this is something sample thing. It's not like that you should write the same thing. You can do it something like that. Hi Ankita, I saw the sorry, I am, let me first introduce myself. I am Ruparanjan. So I have completed my engineering, and I can write like, okay, I'm completed my engineering. I'm an aspiring data analyst. My skills are these things. I want to connect with you and learn various things related to data analyst field and all the things. So once I have completed this thing, then I can send her a connection request. Okay, just introduce yourself, like who are you, and a little bit about your background, like you have done engineering or something like that one. And I am also a data analyst or looking for a job in data analyst field, and I saw that you are working in a as a senior data analyst in Boston Concept, BCG or McKinsey company. And I feel that I can learn a lot from your skills. So I want to connect with you and stay and learn from you. Like that one, you can send those things. Uh, uh, thing so that when they will open the just now I saw that two um, connection request came, Srinath Reddy or Sridhar Badri. Maybe this person might be in call. So see, there is no notes. Okay, I don't know why this person want to connect with me. Whether he want to learn something from me or whatever skills I am having, or he want a referral from me, or just want to connect. So I don't know that one. So when someone is busy, or like if some person is getting so many connection requests, it will be easy for them to know that okay, this person is connecting for this region, okay, let me accept him or let me ignore him. There are some connection request I ignored today because there is nothing like they have not put their photo or any detail where they are working, where they have studied or something like that. If I'm not getting any information about that one, how I will trust that person? Okay, so this way you can like build your connection. It will be very slow. Don't expect that you will like connect. You will having connection of 2,000, 3,000, 5,000, or 20,000 in 1 day or 2 day or 1 month. Even not in 1 year also. You don't need so many connections. You need quality connection. If you'll go to my network, I am having somewhere 18,110. So at the beginning of my LinkedIn journey, I was having very less connection, like 400, 500 before 2 years. After 2 years, when the pandemic started and I started posting content and all the thing, I got so many inbound connection requests. I have not sent a connection request to many people. So maybe from 18,110, maybe some 1,000 people I have sent connection request, maybe less than that. So many people sent it to me. Maybe they need some information from me, or when I was in Amazon, most of the people were connecting with me to know that how the Amazon interview goes on, and how they will prepare for that one. Because of that reason, people used to connect with me. So I don't want to disattain them, and that's why I used to accept every request. So another thing you can do that one, if you are having so many connections like 3,000, maybe 2,000, 3,000, or 5,000 connection request, and if you are not getting the thing that you are looking for from your connections, then it's time to clean your connections. Like you can go to your setting, and I think in setting and privacy you have to go. I am not sure where I saw that one, but people unfollowed. Okay, and sign in security phone number you have signed in. I think I have to check that one because there is one option where you can you can download the data. You can download your data, so that you can see that who you have connected with. It will come to like you have to give your username, password, and all the thing. And then what will happen? You will get an email. That okay, your data is ready. You can filter out the people who are the correct people you should be connected with. Who are not the people, you have to you should remove them from your connection. Only keep the connection who are meant for you. And also saying that that doesn't mean that whoever want to be like you. Let's say you are now in a position to like let's say data analyst, you want to be a data scientist. Okay, you are connecting with a data scientist. There might be some person who is now a fresher. He want to be a data analyst. He might be wanting to connect with you. So don't ignore their request also. So it's like all give and take. Okay, I am not finding that one correct currently. You can but you can do that one from somewhere in the setting. Okay, this is how you will connect with the correct persons on LinkedIn. Now coming to the main part, like how we can find jobs. If anyone is
Uh,
having,
Ruparanjan, there are some questions people are
yeah, yeah,
asking.
that's what I
However,
was saying.
I answered them on the chat, but they need some information. Nikhil
Yeah.
is asking how to hide profile from our company HR.
I don't think that thing
Uh,
work by because most of the people what they did that they have not put their company name also.
So I think what happens here is from companies HR you cannot hide anything, but when the HR is logged into LinkedIn and he or she is checking their jobs who has applied, your profile will not be visible. That is a inbuilt feature of LinkedIn that the same employers applications does not go to your employee does not go to your HR.
Yeah,
But if you want to restrict your whatever you are posting on a daily basis, you don't want your HR or your manager or your boss to see. In
that
that
you can
case,
say.
yeah, that in that case you can maybe you can do some settings. The
Connections
best,
only, or
hmm,
anyone, or group members, if maybe
yeah,
you are part of group, but that is not that way. You can't reach, your content may not reach to larger
yeah,
audience.
exactly.
So that is a restriction that you are putting on your content and all the thing. But
Better not to accept your manager's request. Maybe.
so, and I think in somewhere in setting, it is having that option to like restrict who can see your profile completely or not. I'm not sure that one. Currently, I don't remember that one, but maybe you put that question in comment section. If I find that one, I'll reply back to your query. Okay, so I'll do that one. Okay. So any other questions is there?
Let me see. Hmm, how to ask for a Satyajit is asking how to ask for a referral. Sometimes the concern may
We'll
not reply.
cover that one. We'll cover
Yeah.
that one next in job when we'll come cover the job section. Then I will cover that one. Okay, not a
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. One more thing. Bharat, you are telling that you have posted something, but I don't see any of your questions. How to download CV from LinkedIn? It's very simple. If you go to your profile,
You have
Ruparanjan,
to,
can you show it?
yeah. You can go to your profile, and CB means if you want the
This
resume from
LinkedIn CV.
LinkedIn,
LinkedIn resume.
LinkedIn, then go to more section, save to PDF or build a resume.
Ah,
I like this build a resume prompt. So I have already done so many times. So create from profile. Okay. So job title, let's say I want to give it as a data analyst. Data analyst. So I can put all the thing. Oh, no. Yeah, this is the thing. So I am having all the details and all the thing, and
hmm.
I can download in this thing, or
Go more
I
and
can
download.
preview this one here. You can see that.
Hmm.
Okay, this is 3-page resume. So but in real life I don't like to have the 3-page resume. That is not necessary. So I can trim down those things. Then you can go to here, download as
Download.
PDF.
Yeah.
Okay, so you can like that one you can do, or here it is also an option like save to PDF. So if I'm doing save to PDF, so this is the thing that getting downloaded. Same thing, but a little bit different format. So that way
Yeah.
you can do it.
Hmm.
Okay, is it clear?
Yeah, yeah, it must be clear. A last question in the chat right now is from Arindam. He says that I think he also asked it in the previous session. He has
Mhm.
applied to 2000 jobs, but he doesn't get any call back. So
Yeah,
potentially
yeah,
there
that.
could be something wrong, uh, maybe in your resume or maybe in your strategy.
Okay, we'll discuss that one.
Yeah, we'll discuss that.
Okay, so I think it's good to we can start the job section. Okay,
Yeah.
so here you can see that job section is there on the top. So we will click on jobs. First, let's see what kind of jobs I am looking for. Let's say I am looking for data analyst. We'll go with the same data analyst example. Okay, and what city I am looking for. I don't want complete India. Maybe I'm looking for 2 3 locations. Let's say Bengaluru. I want Bengaluru, Karnataka area. Okay. So within how many kilometers? Shall I say I want within 16 kilometer? Okay. So 5,000. See, there are still 5,173 resume. Sorry, results. So I can't go to each and every jobs and see all the thing. Date posted. I don't want any time because those which are old jobs, that is of no use in the past 24 hours. Let's see this past 24 hour or past week. Even if some jobs are posted past week also, that might not be accepting application as of now. So I'll see that which are posted in last 24 hour. See, it got 90% reduced. Only 592 thing is there. So I don't want any intensive entry level associate. I'll want mid senior level. Let's say I am already having job experience of 2 3 years. So I want mid senior level. Now say 80% result got reduced. So now we are having 102 results. Okay, company. I don't, if I am having any specific company in mind, then I can give that one, or I can skip this thing. Job type. I want full-time job. I don't want contract jobs. Okay, easy apply. Don't never do that easy apply, but that is little bit of doesn't work properly. And I can see like few more options
Easy
and
apply, even though it saves your time, it is a waste of. In fact, it is a
effort.
waste of time and efforts.
Yeah, effort.
See, try to understand this thing that you are not the only one doing easy apply. There are thousands of other people who are doing it, right? So ultimately, HR gets huge amount of profile. So there are 99% chances your resume might not be selected. It's completely bet. So
Yeah,
they are hiring for one application. They are getting thousand applications. So they will only be selecting the first five or first 10 entries and interview them, right? So don't do easy apply. Yeah, sorry, Dr.
yeah.
Anjana.
Yeah. That is the thing I was about to tell, that thing. So if you have any industry in preference, like technology, information, financial service, like that one, banking, so you can do that one. So I don't have any, let's say I don't have any preference as of now, but if you are having, you can do that one. Okay, you can do that one. And job function like consulting or analyst or something like that.
Yeah,
And title,
yeah,
if you are having specific about titles, you can give that one also. I want DevOps engineer, data engineer, okay, senior data engineer, like that one you can. So okay, I'll click. So 95 options are there. So let's say I want to, let's say I think Azure data engineer, not this one is perfect one. I think data engineer, so many are data engineer are showing. Salesforce, okay, big data developer, business intelligence, talent community, cloud engineer. See, even if it is showing in the 95 result, that doesn't mean that all the jobs that will you will be getting is perfect matching to you. There is a chance that some data somewhere it will keep analyst. It will pick those things. Okay, let me go to some position which is actually data analyst position. I think this one, senior business intelligence analyst. This is some kind of related thing. Like same skills are required for these two positions. Let me go to this thing, and I will check what are the skills they are asking. Okay, responsibility here I can see AWS, Azure, GCP Cloud Platform, and okay, here if I'm going 5+ years of experience in SQL, data transformation, statistical analysis, MySQL, Snowflake, Postgres analysis, SQL, Redshift, Azure SQL warehouse, and this thing. I have to see that okay, how many skills they have asked and how many skills I am having. And in most cases, companies or HR will give some concession on the skills, because one person might not be having all the skills. From 10 skills, he will be having 2 3 4 skills. It is like always think that you have to having T-shaped skills. One or two skills you are having should be having in-depth knowledge about that one. And other thing, you should be knowing those things. Like here Cassandra is there and Postgres analysis, SQL is there, Azure SQL is there. I can see that okay, Snowflake is also SQL thing, Postgres SQL is also SQL thing, Azure SQL is also SQL thing. So let's say I am having a skill, very strong knowledge on Postgres SQL, and I know I have little knowledge of Snowflake and Azure SQL. That doesn't mean that I will have all the SQL knowledge, all the SQL
hmm.
language and all the thing. So if I am having one or two things, then that is also fine. Go and apply for that. And if someone is saying 5+ years of experience, that means they need a person who is having good understanding of the that domain. Okay, he's having knowledge of data analyst field and all the things. So if you are having 1 year or 2 year of experience, don't apply to that position, because there is a high chance that your profile will not get noticed. Okay, If the recruiter is asking from their end, then that is fine, but don't apply that one. And another thing is that somewhere it will be written that 4 to 6 years of experience, or let's say 3 to 5 years of experience needed. Okay, in that case what you can do that, okay, if you are having 5 years of experience, then you are good to go. And if you are having 3 years of experience, you have less chance, but still you can go. But don't go to that position if you are having 2 years of experience. Okay, it is like that one. So even if, like, why that happens, if there are so many people will be applying for that position, okay, and you will not be the only one that is applying to that position. And for every position, let's say this senior business intelligence analyst, they'll be having a fixed salary for that one, like cap on the highest amount they can pay. Okay, if let's say 20 lakh is the highest package they can pay for senior business intelligence analyst. Okay, and if for 20 lakh, if they can get a 6 year of experience, and for same 20 lakhs, one person having 3 year of experience is asking for the same 20 lakh, then why should they have a 3 year of experience, not a 5 year of experience? You should consider those things also. Okay, that person is having 3 more year of experience, he will be having some more skills than the person who is having 3 year of experience. So you should consider those things. So you have to do some permutation combination through your skills and experience. Accordingly you have to apply. Then you have to see that, okay, this in this one it is saying that Palak Chaudhary is hiring. Okay, I go to her profile and see if she has mentioned somewhere her maybe email ID or something. If she has mentioned, not mentioned somewhere, maybe I can go to her profile and see if she has posted something like that one. Because usually HRs don't shy away from giving their email ID to people, because they want also see mail at paulchaudhary at adobe.com. We got right. Okay, now let's go to Payal Chaudhary, and I can write an email that, okay, Payal, I found this job. Okay, there are so many things in company, they give the job ID also here, or something career hours, or let's see, they have not given that thing. You can send a custom mail that, okay, Palak, introduce yourself, that I am Ruparanjan, I am working here and here, I am having 5 years of experience, and my skills are this, and here is my Github profile. You can see my projects and all the things that I personal project I have done. I saw that you are hiring for senior business intelligence analyst position in Adobe, and I feel that my skills are perfect fit for the roles that you are hiring for. So here I am attaching my resume for your reference. You can call me on this number and email ID and all the things. You can draft a custom email so that she can get that. Okay, why I am saying that one? To send an email to her, because whenever an HR shares uses LinkedIn, they have to pay a fee to LinkedIn. Okay, so these jobs, you can't post a job like that one in LinkedIn. You have to pay the platform fee to LinkedIn, then you will like use that platform. So if someone is getting the like talent from outside, like directly, then it saves them money. Okay, so if you will apply from here, maybe LinkedIn might be, I am not a HR or a recruiter person, or not a CEO founder of any company, I am not having that much of knowledge how things goes in background. Maybe LinkedIn might be tracking those things, how many people are applying through easy apply, maybe charging the HRs accordingly, they might be charging. So if you are sending her an email, it goes directly to her inbox. Okay, and every day morning she has to check her inbox, she can't skip those things. So if your message is in her inbox, there is a high chance of converting to this business intelligence analyst position. At least you will get a call. Okay, that is the main thing. And again, the thing is that what I have seen the people, most people do mistake is that they make one resume and they keep on posting that one everywhere. Okay, see, if you, I'll go to this profile, senior business intelligence analyst. Most of the profile, if you will go in senior business intelligence analyst, there will be the skills of Power BI or Tableau, but I can't see it somewhere Tableau or Power BI. Can you? Okay, let me find if I am having tableau. So see, there is no tableau. Maybe power bi. Power bi, no. See, most of the companies who hire for power bi, sorry, business intelligence, they have look for skills like tableau or power bi. But in this case, there is no power bi or tableau. But if you have a target of business intelligence analyst and you have made all the things like tableau, I have done so many projects in tableau and power bi, and I have used python and excel, I am having sql. Sql is fine here, it is what. But if your resume is based on those things and here they have not asked only, then what do you think your resume will pass through the ats? I think it's 0% chance of getting your resume getting passed through that ATS thing. Okay, ATS is application tracking system. Whenever you are applying to a company, your application goes through ATS. Then ATS rejects or select a few of the resumes, and it will be like if 1,000 people are applying for one position, then there it will might be reject or 900 or something like that profile, and it will send only 100 profile to the recruiter. I have seen my one of my roommate was a recruiter from Amazon, and he spends very less time just scanning the resume. Okay, and your resume should be that eye catching to come to recruiter notice. Okay, so make separate resume for each and every job you are applying. Okay, it's not that you have to start from that one. You have just made a copy of the original resume. Just start changing the things according to the
Mm.
job you are applying.
Yeah,
Okay,
just
so
one statistics. People mostly on my channel, people are from analyst and all these domains, right? So on an average, as per Google, as per I have interacted with a lot of HRs, average time taken to screen a resume is just 6 seconds. So within 6 seconds, if the recruiter is not able to see those skills in your profile, there are chances it will go into backlog. And once it goes into backlog, there are very like negligible chances that they will come back to your profile again. So make sure you write down keywords properly. I also had some resume building exercises on my channel like 1 year back, but if people need it, probably we can also do a resume session maybe in any of the Sundays, in any of the coming Sundays. Yeah. Sorry, Ruparanjan, I'm cutting
yeah,
you
yeah.
every time. Yeah.
No, 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 no. That is a valid point. Actually, even I was about to tell that one, and see that one like first impression matters everywhere. Okay, even in the job section. And when you are making a resume, I will suggest you to consider two things. First is hard skills. Second is soft skill. Hard skill is which one? AWS, Azure, GCP, and all the thing like where it was. SQL, MySQL, so like these are hard skills that is required for any kind of job. Apart from that hard skill, there are some soft skills that is required from every person. Okay, if you'll go to somewhere, maybe somewhere responsibilities, design and build reporting and analysis tool that will help streamline business and make reporting, analyzing, planning, forecasting, perform research, development, and all the thing. Implement solution and to automate for automating deployment, provisioning, and all the thing. See, these things are the soft skill that they are looking for. Okay, so you can like when you are writing your resume, you have to write in a star format. I don't know, those who are in last class, they know that I was talking about star format, but I will tell you again. Star format is situation, task, action, result. Okay, situation, what was the problem was there. Okay, if you are in a job, there is a some task, some solution you are providing. Okay, there is a some problem that you are solving. Okay, maybe let's say if Amazon is there, Alexa is there, they are building a system where Alexa will detect Hindi language. When I was in Amazon, we are building that one. I was not building, I was giving the input to that one. So let's say problems statement, one problem statement was that the downloading data from the various like websites were very time taking, and so that was the thing. Task like, so what was the task we thought of, like creating macros through Excel or automatic things in Python and all the thing. So we have deployed those things and all the thing. So it's not that if you have done some work, there should be a result. Okay, let's say previously it was taking some 30 minutes or 40 minutes to do one thing, now it is taking 10 minutes, so that was the result. If there is no result, there is no point of doing some work. Okay, that you also know. Okay, so you will, what you will do, like you will write that one, like that one. So this was the work we are having, this is the challenge we are facing, then this is the thing we thought of doing, and this is the how we have used this MySQL to do this one, or Snowflake to do these things, and we use this thing. So if you are from this field, then you know that okay, what is thing that you have to put in your way in your resume. Then we got this result, and it saved so much of time and all the thing. So you can think of the work that you are doing, and you have to connect the dots, how you can uh, manage to write a, 2 3 points on that one. If you are writing those things, and if those percentage numbers and all the thing, highlight those things, because whenever as Satyajit said that only 6 seconds is there for them, okay, on an average. So if something is highlighted, they will see those things. Okay, so that is, there is a high chance that your resume will get selected also. Along with this hard skill, put your soft skill to in that word. You should not stop keywords. If somewhere it is written that MySQL and all the thing, you should not put MySQL everywhere. Okay, you should put it in a very smart way. Okay, this is one way of searching the job. And another thing you can do that, okay, you can set alert. If I'm setting alert for these things, it is only for Bangalore location and all the thing, so I'll get an email alert whenever there is a new job is added to this thing. So even last time also I did for data analyst position in 2 3 location, Pune, Hyderabad thing, and every morning I am getting 3 mails that okay, these are the position available in Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore. So it saves a bit of time, but it's also annoying for me. I don't know about you. Okay, so this is one way of finding the jobs. Okay, next, go to home. We'll see that what are the other way of finding jobs. Okay, you can see that we are using so many hashtags to find jobs. Okay, let's say data analyst jobs. Okay, so see, this is having 1801 followers, but no like no post on this one. Data analyst, let's say data analyst. Okay, this person got job. Okay, maybe many people have posted about data analyst or that one. So there are so many jobs, or let's say there are Bangalore opening, okay, Bangalore, Bangalore jobs. Okay, you can see that who are the people who are like posting jobs, and what kind of hashtag they are using. Okay, so many times that if you go to helping hands, okay, this is the hashtag widely used during the pandemic, when lockdown happened and all the thing. See, 1,22,778 followers. You can see that okay, so many jobs are there when I have posted so many times. It's not that all the thing will be a good match to your thing, but you can find so many jobs based on these hashtags. So let's say data science hashtag and all the thing, if you are following those things, so you will get the jobs who are which are related to data analyst or data science and all the things. Another thing is that you have to like see the people who are posting data analyst kind of job. Let's say when I was in Amazon, I was posting jobs about Amazon. So if you will go to hashtag Rupranjan, okay, so you will see that okay, there are so many openings I have shared which are only in Amazon. This hirance is my one of the initiative, so I was posting jobs through that one. If you will see that all older post, I think it will be very down the line, and I was posting only on the job position in Amazon. So I was telling people that okay, um, uh, use like follow this hashtag so that you can get all the jobs from Amazon. Okay, so you have to see that what kind of jobs people, what kind of hashtags people are using, so that you can do that one. Then let's say like that one in this kind of thing, like say Palak Chaudhary is there, and uh, Palak Chaudhary is having email ID and all the things, so you know that okay, she is a HR and she can take your application directly. But not everyone is a, that recruiter. Okay, you have to, let's say, associate analyst E2 open. So I, let's say I got a job in associate analyst thing and E2 open. I want to know that okay, see that there are four of my connections are there working in this company, and seven of my school alumni are working in this company. I will go to their profile. Okay, who, let's say who are the people. Okay, so these people are from my college: Priyadarshini Das, Sasmita Sabat, and Mahapatra, and all the thing. Let's see, who is the person who is most close to that position. Okay, if anything is not there, I can connect with anyone. But if there is someone in the same profile, it will be easy for me to get a referral or get any insight from that one. Okay, so here I can see that. Smriti Priyadarsan Swai is my connection, and a global trade compliance specialist Manohar Pragati Pardi Biswajit Dalai, and all these people are working in it to open. And since they are my connection, I can send them a message that okay, hi Biswajit, I am look. I saw that there is a opening in it to open for this position, and can you refer me? So he's my connection. Maybe I have talked with him earlier or something like that one, or maybe he is connected with me through my content and all the thing. He might be able to refer me easily. But let's say I don't have anyone. Okay, then what I can do? Let's close this one and go to, so I'll go to which one, E2 open. Okay, I'll remove this one. Okay, I'll go to this one, E2 open. Okay, I'll go to their people section. Okay, if I'll go to here, let's say okay, technical recruiter, all why all HRs are coming. Okay, let's say Ayush Sharma is the person I want refer from him. Okay, so before, when I am connecting this one, I will add a note. Okay,
But
in this,
what if that person is from the same team where this opening is?
then it is better na. If I am working as a data
Mm.
analyst and someone is asking me for referring a data analyst, that is the best choice na. If data analyst
Mm-hmm.
is referring to a data analyst, that is the best thing. Okay, because you know that what a skill required to be a data analyst, isn't it? So that is
Yeah.
the thing.
But
So
what if I want to understand one scenario? What if you reach to a person, for
hmm,
example, Ayush Sharma? Okay.
yeah.
Now, Ayush Sharma is analyst.
Hmm,
Now, you reached out to him that can you, for example, I have applied for this role.
hmm.
Can you help me with the interview process? Can you just brief me what all questions they ask and all those things? And what if the same person is actually, nominated
Hiring
to
for that.
interview? Yeah.
Yeah, that happens sometimes, that happens. But see, there is a chance that Ayush Sharma will ignore your request, or he can like redirect you to someone else. In some
Mhm.
cases that happens, like whenever I don't know about some position, like some people ask me HD interview experience, I don't have the HD interview experience in Amazon, so I redirect them to some people. In that case also, they either do like that one, or maybe like they help those people and also take their interview, and they ask a more difficult question to those people only. So that also happened.
Mhm.
Okay, see here, what kind of message I will write. Okay, I will write that hi Ayush, I am this one. First, introduce myself. I have done my engineering, and currently I am working in this company in this role. Okay,
Mm.
my primary skills are this. Okay, and I saw that there is an opening in your company which is matching my skills, and I feel that I will be a great match for this profile. As I see that you are working as an analyst in this E2 Open company, can you give me a referral to this position? And whenever you are doing like that one, always give maximum information of yours. Okay, like who you are, what is your education details, what is your skills, and like what job id. If you are asking someone to referral, asking someone referral, so they will go to their internal website. Okay, they will go to their internal website, and they have to refer you. So it's better to give them your like job id. So if
Mm-hmm.
you give them job id and your email id, phone number also. Like some cases, like in I'm working in eton. In eton we don't need like resume to refer. We need only your email id and phone number to refer. Also give a link of your resume or add your resume, so that what will happen, they can take directly to that one. So what thing, why I am saying, see that so many people have asked me for referral. Whenever you are asking for some referral, Ayush is not my friend. Okay, neither my relative. Why he should refer me? Just think about that one. Even if I am the person, if you are asking me for referral, am I your friend? Not yet, maybe. Or am I your relative? No. Okay, if are you my friend's friend? Maybe not. Okay, then why I should refer you? You should give me a reason to refer you. Okay, one guy has asked me to refer. Okay, you might be knowing that person, I will not name him. Okay, he gave me a reason to refer him to Amazon. Okay, he has written that nice note that, okay, Ruparanjan, I am doing this thing, and this is my profile, GitHub profile, and that lead code profile, and all the thing I have done. So I saw that you are referring to people. So can are you kind enough to refer me to this job position, job ID, this one, and here is my resume. Okay, he sent me that one. Okay, I got a first impression that, okay, this guy is sending a beautiful message, and I will consider that one. That creates a good first impression. If you will like create first good impression, so there is a high chance that that person will refer you. Okay, and another thing, that don't consider that if you are asking for one person, that one person will like refer you for sure. So even if you are writing good message, there is a chance that that person might not refer you, but it will increase the chance. Okay, even if
Correct.
Ayush Sharma is opening their his thing, like account, so he'll see that this message, and there is a high chance that he will refer you. Okay, you can
Correct.
ask for referral in this way. I think that this is this much on LinkedIn job search.
Yeah, yeah.
I
I
think
think,
I'm good.
yeah, if we start talking about it, then it might not finish. So,
Yeah,
yeah, I just have 30 minutes for the GitHub and the abroad jobs part. So, I'll quickly talk about it. Thank you, Ruparanjan, for your part.
yeah.
If you would wish to continue to stay, it's up to you. I mean, I don't mind. But let's give just 1 minute break, just for, for us to have some water, and people might be needing some break. Just we'll go for 1 minute break and we'll quickly come back.
Yes.
Okay, I'm back basically. Ruparanjan, there are some questions. Maybe we can cover that and then I'll jump into the GitHub part.
Okay.
So, Bharat was asking, can you please explain experience levels in details while applying for jobs, right?
Okay, jobs, and I think data analyst, and we will go here, and the job labels. And this one is internship. You know that that one, you know,
Mm.
and that internship is not full time job. You will be there in for 2 months, 3 months, like that, or maximum 6 months. So that is internship. That is not full time job. Entry level is like fresher. If someone is fresher, that is entry level job. It is
Mm.
called. So associate level jobs is like 2 3 years up to 4 years of experience is associate or like that one. Mid senior level is if you are more than, in most
More than
cases it is
4 years, huh?
considered, yeah, 4 year 3 or 4 year, or somewhere it is considered 5 years
Huh.
also experience. You see that we put mid senior level, it was coming 5 year of experience.
Huh.
And director level means maybe 10 year or something like that one of
Yeah,
experience.
either if you are already a manager or a team
Yeah,
lead, then you can apply for director or executive. Yeah.
yeah,
In,
that kind of thing.
yeah. Majorly you can select the analyst, the associate and the mid senior level, I think.
Yeah,
Okay.
associate and mid senior level.
Okay, let me just share my screen and we'll get started with the GitHub part. However, I will be able to see the chat section also. In case you have any question, guys, keep asking questions. I'll pick it up on the go. So yeah, talking about my part, let me. Okay, I have shared my screen right now. You can see. Well, this is my LinkedIn profile. Let's not talk about my LinkedIn. Uh, First of all, I'll talk about why are we discussing about GitHub. Now, I'm just concerned about my subscribers, right? Ruparanjan, I'm keeping you on mute. Maybe, yeah. So I'm just concerned about my subscribers, and I really don't care about rest of the people who are into different domains. So coming on to the data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, business intelligence engineers, these kind of roles. What my channel is all about, we need a GitHub profile for everyone. So whenever I teach students, whenever I interact with people, these are the two things I tell that which is the most important for you to build up your social profile. One is going to be your LinkedIn profile, which I think Ruparanjan has covered the most of it, and the second one is GitHub profile. GitHub profile is very important. Doesn't matter if it is into Power BI or into Tableau or something like that. It is more relevant if you are into data science or machine learning, NLP, deep learning, where you are doing some coding activities. But even if you are not doing coding activities, you can still maintain your GitHub profile. Now, for example, you are starting your journey now. It's July 2022. So it's always recommended to create your GitHub profile right now itself. Okay, it's not like कि journey 5 महीने बाद खत्म होगा and after 5 months I'll finish my journey. After that I will create my profile. No, that is not the right way to do it. Create it right away. Okay, so GitHub profile also acts as a website, right? If you don't have a website, let's say you are going to your edit profile, you don't have a website, you can also put your GitHub link in the website. I haven't put it, but you can put it. Okay, for example, let's put it. So whenever somebody is viewing your page, they will be able to check your GitHub profile as well. In my resume, whenever I apply for my resume for any job, I have my GitHub profile on my resume itself. Okay, I give a hyperlink so that people can redirect, and I also give the link to my resume, link to my GitHub. So how to create your GitHub profile is very simple. You have to go to github.com and start creating your account. It is as simple as creating an account on Facebook, right? If you can create an account on Facebook, you can create it on GitHub. After you create an account on GitHub, let's say this is your ID that you have provided. Now, when I created my GitHub account, I think I created like 6 7 years back. So I didn't knew the importance of this. I just gave my nickname and my year of my birth, which is fine. But it is always better to give your own name. For example, Ruparanjan Mahapatra. It is better to give as Ruparanjan 1990 or Ruparanjan dot one or Ruparanjan dot Mahapatra. It is better, but yeah, it doesn't really matter a lot. After this creation of this page, you can start creating your first repository. Your first repository has to be your by the name of your profile. For example, my profile is PIK1989. My first repository will be on the same name. On the same name, I have created my GitHub. So if somebody visits my profile, they will be able to see this page. So you can see how beautiful it is. Like, at least for me, it is beautiful. Hi, I'm Satyajit, self-taught something something. These are my social media handles. I have different amount of subscribers. All these hyperlinks I have provided. And this is my profile snapshot. I have traveled to 10 plus countries, have helped 8 plus startups to grow, and this is my GitHub stats. Okay. And something like that. And when you start working on your portfolio projects, let's say you are working into machine learning. Now, there are multiple Kaggle projects or GitHub projects you will start working on, right? Start creating a repository for that. If you have started your journey right now, and let's say by end of July you have completed one project, for example, so immediately create your repository by the end of July. Do not wait that I will finish my entire machine learning by the end of this year. After that, altogether I will upload. No, that's the wrong way, because when you create repositories, let's say I'll talk about one of my repositories. Uh, when you create repositories, this thing is shown 2 years ago. You can see I have updated one file maybe 14 months back, but somebody who visits this profile, they will be able to understand that this repository was created 2 years back. Okay, so it creates a feeling in the head of the recruiter or somebody who is looking at your GitHub that you have not started learning or started posting into GitHub right now. So, for example, you are in your journey right now to learn. If you create a repository right now, maybe by end of July, by the time you finish your course or finish your learning by the end of this year, this repository will show you like 5 months old, right? That is, that is going to be impactful. And whenever you create a repository, post everything. For example, I'll talk about one of the machine learning projects. Now, let's say this is a machine learning project, churn prediction. Now, if somebody comes to this repository, there could be multiple people who will be visiting your repository. One could be your recruiter who is looking out your GitHub profile. One could be your hiring manager or the technical guy who is checking out what is your knowledge, how many GitHub repositories you have created. And one could be general public who wants to know more about this project, right? So always include each and every detailed information. I have seen thousands and thousands of GitHub profile. When I go and visit that project, I will see the code, I will also see the data, but when I download that or when I fork that and run that, that code might not work. So always upload once your end-to-end project is done. You can see this is an end-to-end project. It has my report in a PDF format. It has the data in a CSV format. If you want to look at it, this is a CSV format data. I have my .py files, I have my model building files, my EDA files, and all the images that I have used. And if you scroll down, see, ultimately, somebody who is visiting your profile is ultimately checking out the quality of your GitHub repository, right? And just imagine this way. I I have visited somebody's GitHub repository. I should get all the information, right? If I don't get all the information, then you are neither helping me nor helping yourself, right? So you can see if somebody visits my profile or visits my GitHub, each and everything is detailed explained. Detailed session on ADA, if somebody clicks on it, they go to my YouTube channel. And this is my previous session on ML model deployment. What is customer churning? So I have explained everything. Okay, another example of a very good GitHub repository. So Nicole is one of my students in Hong Kong. So this is her profile. You can see she has created, "Hi, I'm Nicole Tang. I'm interested in data science and all those things. Recently completed a boot camp." Yes, she had completed my boot camp in Hong Kong. These are all of her projects and reach me at this, right? We'll go to one of our repositories, how beautifully she has created this repository. Once I complete this, then probably I will check out the questions, okay? And I will also share my GitHub repository and this Nicole's GitHub repository in the description below after this session is over. so that you can yourself go and check it out. So this is one of the end-to-end projects that we have created. Okay, that she has created. So you can see everything is created, everything is done. CSV files, PYNB files, PBIX files, and this is a Power BI project. Somebody told me, sir, I'm into Power BI. How can I upload Power BI projects to GitHub? You can upload. There is nothing wrong in it. Ultimately, .pbix file is just a file, right? You can upload your Power BI projects, your Tableau projects, your any kind of visualization projects, anything. And if you go through this README, how beautifully she has mentioned introduction, the data set, who are the contributors, what is the content, how does the preview looks like. So when somebody and reach out to me on LinkedIn, Kaggle, and Matters, if somebody comes to this profile, they get end-to-end understanding, and you can easily fork this repository, and this repository will come to your own GitHub, and then you can download the files and use that project. Okay, so this is how you create your GitHub repository. So I won't take much time. You can take a reference and create your GitHub repositories. If you ask me, ideally what should be a part of your GitHub repository if you are working on a project, if you are working on a Power BI or a Tableau project, your data set is must. Your Power BI PBIX file or Tableau TWBX file are must. If you have created some EDA, if you have done some exploration of data in Python, that notebook is must. And if you have also created a presentation PDF format or PPT format, that is also must. And then start preparing a good README. README gives your GitHub repository a new face. Okay, and this is nothing but an end-to-end portfolio project. Many people also ask, what is a portfolio project? A portfolio project is some project which you work from scratch and you work end to end, and that project you can add it in your resume. Most of the people, they tend to copy paste. I'm pretty much sure many people will go ahead and copy paste this repository and write down in your resume. You can do that, but it is not recommended, guys. Always work on a capstone project or a portfolio project from scratch so that you gain the knowledge yourself. Copy paste karoge to you will understand everything, but if you do it, implement it, you will have more learning. Simple scenario is, how many of you have done this? When you check out a Python question, first of all, you will not be able to answer it. But the moment you see the solution, you will be able to answer it like, oh, this is it, right? It is very simple. That is the same way. So when we see solutions, it looks easier for us. Okay. Now, I'll take some questions. Can you check out my GitHub? Give me advices to improve. You can send me a LinkedIn connection and maybe send your GitHub repository on LinkedIn. I will give it a look. Can we make our repository public? If so, then what are the things we need to keep in mind in terms of data? So, it depends. Like there are few of my repositories which is private. Okay, whenever I work on some of my research work. For example, I'll show you one of my repositories. So some of my repositories are private. You can see private. So it's up to you, like when you are working on a problem statement, and if you have downloaded the data from online, maybe Kaggle or GitHub or anywhere, then that data you can post it in your GitHub. That's nothing wrong in it. But if you have got the data from some laboratories or from some research platforms, you need to take their permissions. Okay, so that's how we do it. How do we post a video of a dashboard on LinkedIn or GitHub, like dynamic dashboards? Video, mostly people, if you I know, you must be you must have seen various other people posting dashboard videos and all those things. What people do is they record They open their Tableau dashboard or Power BI dashboard and they record it on OBS. So in OBS, you can easily record videos, and short videos they record, they hover around, and those videos they post it on LinkedIn, okay, or on GitHub. You can also add those videos in your GitHub README, right? Anybody else has any questions into GitHub or into LinkedIn? Any part which Ruparanjan has not covered or something like that? If not, I will jump into the abroad job hunting. I'll talk about few of the pointers. Okay, so you can still ask questions, nothing to worry about. I'll leave these links in the description below after the call is over. Now, I'll talk about some ideas on how to get jobs, abroad jobs. Okay, so there are some websites I'll talk about. Uh, some of the websites are, I am just writing these websites here, and not necessarily you will get a call back from these websites, but there is always, because when you find abroad jobs, it is 100,000 times more difficult than finding a local job, right? Try to understand this thing. Why would some company hire you from India? For example, you are in India and you want to apply for UK. Try to understand the scenario. Why will the company hire you if the company can find somebody from UK itself? Then their cost of hiring is very low, right? Then why would they hire you? Try to understand this thing. Many people also reach out to me, sir, I have 2 years, 3 years experience. Can I get a job abroad? 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Very difficult to get abroad jobs. Try to understand this thing. Jobs, companies hire people outside their countries only when they don't find that talent. For example, some company need a senior software engineer, 10 years experience engineer, and they are not able to find that tech stacks, Java with C, with C++, with a little bit of Spring and Hibernate. That profile they are not able to find. Then only they will hire for somebody outside their country. Because hiring somebody from one country to another country is very difficult. Even within cities also it is difficult. If you are in Bangalore, if you are finding a job in Pune, again that is difficult, because a Pune company will hire somebody from the local itself, from the Pune area itself. Because if they hire you, they will have to give you relocation cost, they will have to give you falana dimkana, all this kind of cost, and then convert you, right? So imagine how difficult it is to find an abroad job. Arindam was telling he has applied for 1,000 jobs. When I got a job in Hong Kong 3 years back, I applied for more than 10,000 jobs in the span of 6 months. And after that, I landed on three jobs. I got three offers, one from Germany, one from Bangkok, Thailand, and one from Hong Kong. But now, if you have good experience, when I say good, that means at least 5 to 6 years of experience minimum. Below that, the only way to find an abroad job is to go for master's degree and then settle there and find a job. Okay, so I'll talk about few websites. This is not a promotion, guys, this is just my own learning. Vanhack.com is a website where you can find some. So this company basically hires for software engineers, Python developers, and some machine learning engineers as well, but mostly into the development part. If you are good at Python, good at programming skills, you want to become a machine learning engineer or a full stack developer, then you can use this platform. And they have their paid versions and all those things. Well, 4 years back, I had also taken 1 month subscription of this platform. So it's up to you if you want to take subscription or not, but this is one platform where people have got jobs. Another platform apart from Vanak is going to be talent.io. So I'll show you this website. Talent.io also hires people from remote areas. Remote areas, as in like for remote jobs, for on site opportunities. all these kind of things. Apart from that, one more website is honey honeypot.io. I am forgetting it because it's like 4 years, 5 years back. I was using these websites. Honeypot.io is one of my favorite because I got around 4 to 5 interview calls from this website. So you have to create your profile, and then they will be able, they will give it a look. Their own team will give it a look at your profile, and they will make your profile active. So there are so many employers in this platform also. When your profile is active, they can watch out your profile, and then they will send you requests for interviews. Okay, so three websites. Any more website which is genuine? I am, let me think about it. I think there is one more website I'm forgetting. Okay, if you, there is another another video of mine, how to find abroad jobs. Just search these terms, find abroad jobs Satyajit or something like that on YouTube. You will be able to get that video. In that, I have also explained few more websites. Okay, now jumping on to the LinkedIn platform. How can we search in LinkedIn for abroad opportunities? Again, the keywords that you are going to search is very important. For example, you are going to search for data science. What I have understood is, always you use this keyword in your search. Visa. That means this keyword has to be there in the job profiles. Always use this keyword. If you are looking out for data analytics, use visa. Okay. Let's search for data analytics. With visa as a keyword, I'll go to jobs. Okay. Not in Hong Kong. Maybe I want in United Kingdom, for example. Search. Ignore this because this is from the company itself, Visa. I'll ignore that. Let's go to this one, Senior Data Engineer We Gift. If you go to this one, just Control F and search for Visa. You can see visa sponsorship and relocation package opportunities is provided. So this company is hiring, and they are hiring beyond their, United Kingdom area as well. So if you are from India, from anywhere else, you can still apply for this job. Okay, but how can we apply? Can we just click on this apply and apply? Better, what we need to do is copy this employer name, go to this company's website, wegift.io. Here, look out for the careers option, and then see open positions, and then search for data, senior data engineer. You can see this is the same position that was seen here, right? Go here, click on this, and then apply. Simple. If you want to apply with LinkedIn, don't apply with LinkedIn, it's up to you, and apply. This will increase your chances to get a job. Okay. Similarly, we'll look out for other, let's say, head of data science. Of course, it is not for people with low experience, but I'm just giving you an example. Again, I'll search for visa. Okay, so they are not in a position to support visa. No problem, we can skip to the next one. Same, see, we are able to offer visa sponsorship. So this is also applying for, this is also providing you job opportunities, and they will also give you visa. So go to Okado Group, visit their website, and then let's say I don't want these redirections, I'll just go to their original website, and then I'll go to their career section. I want it in technology. Sometimes some or the other companies, they don't update their careers page. For example, you are seeing a job here, but on their career page it is not available. In that case, what you need to do is, I will also tell you scenario for that. So here, search for your next opportunity. Search. Okay, and then here maybe what was that? Analytics lead, right? Analytics. You can see analytics manager and analytics lead. Go ahead and apply. Apply to job, and you will be able to successfully apply. Okay, so this is one thing. One more scenario I wanted to cover. Are these chargeable? What is chargeable? Nothing is chargeable. It's free of cost. Like, where does money come into picture? Oh, you're talking about the platform, these websites. No, these websites are free. Only VanHack has a subscription. Maybe, if I'm not wrong, I think around Indian rupees 3,600 per month. But it is worth it. I got 2 3 calls from that platform. However, I couldn't clear that. I don't know the reasons, but yeah, other platforms are not chargeable. So another scenario where you don't find that job in the career section. Let's say this company, I'm not getting the job in the career section. What I can do is I can go to the people and search for the recruiters and then connect with them. So this is what you can do. Start connecting with their HRs, recruiters who are hiring, talent acquisition managers. Start, you know, following them or start requesting them. So this is one very important tip. Similarly, I'll also show you, let's say, senior data analyst. Again, I'll search for visa. Company is unable to provide. Okay, no problem. I'll jump on to the next one. We are unable to provide. No problem. See, abroad jobs are like this only. Out of 100, you might find one or two jobs you can apply. And getting a callback is also very, difficult. But you have to apply thousands and thousands of jobs, then only you will land up. Let's say Opus. I am pretty much sure they hire. I know them, they hire. No, they are not hiring, not offering sponsorship or visa. But Opus Recruitment, I know this consultancy because this is also in Hong Kong. They hire people from abroad. UK based roles require candidates who have no, okay. No, not for this one also. Same, we have to keep searching. Data architect. Candidates must be, no, again, this is not up, this is not providing you visa. Relocation and visa expenses covered. So this company is giving you. So you can go to that company, go to the career page and apply. So it is always better to do this, even though it takes a lot of time, but this is the most effective way. Okay. Similarly, if you want to search, change your search to Netherlands or any other country, you can do it. But as I said, it is always better that you gain experience before jumping into abroad opportunities because your chances are less and less when it comes to your experience. If your experience is less, your chances are less. So these are some of the tips I wanted to give. And generally speaking, also, if you are applying for jobs, always better you don't use this easy apply option because when you apply, you do easy apply. Basically, you fall in that category where thousand others might be also doing this, right? So never do that. Directly go and apply to the company website. That is more preferable and feasible. And one more time taking approach is you go ahead to that company, check who are your connections, talk to them, and they will be able to refer you. These things you can do. Okay. So that is all about this session, guys. I wanted to, yeah, overall, I wanted to give you this idea about how to hunt down for your abroad jobs. What is the strategy? I'll come up with more videos. Probably there are some other platforms that I missed talking about. Probably we can take a call on that also. And resume preparation. If you go to my channel, I have already taken resume preparation videos, live sessions. But in case you want such sessions in the future, you can let me know and we can take a session on that also. Somebody was asking what is the best platform for resume. Even though it is not a part of this topic, but I will try to quickly tell you that don't go with Novo Resume and all those platforms. Those platforms are not good. Even they will give you very fancy resumes. Those resumes are good when you are going for face to face interviews. For example, tomorrow you have a face to face interview, you are going there, yeah, you can do a printout of that and send them. But when you are applying for a company, don't apply through that resume, because right now what happens is many companies are using their own parsing technique. They parse your resumes, they get the skills, and based on that they select the profile. So if you are using some unwanted format, not in a Word document format or a renowned format, maybe Novo Resume, I don't know. So it is always better you use Google resumes are also really good. You can see Google has also lot of resume templates, and these are really good templates. This is my personal favorite template. This is my template. My resume is also built on this template. This is really good. Your name is there, your whatever you are working, your details. Under this, I usually put my GitHub repository. So and then give a hyperlink. How to give a hyperlink? Simple. Done. If you want to make it little bit big, make it little bit big. And add your LinkedIn if you have YouTube, whatever it is. Skills. It's a very good template. Use this. I mean, it's up to you to use or not, but I use it and I have been successful. So you can use it as well. Anything else? And MS Word have also good. Yeah, MS Word has also very good resume templates. Always use templates from MS Word or Google Docs. Those are most reliable. Novo Resume and all those kind of one-page resumes. They are fancy, good looking, but I don't prefer it, and I don't suggest my students also. So that is it, guys. That's all for this particular session. Uh, I hope you enjoyed this session. Next session, I don't know what the topics will be, but yeah, I'm planning to start statistics lectures very soon. Uh, let's say a few more weeks of gap because I'm traveling India next week. So let's see how it goes. Um, yeah, I mean, see you guys. In case you have any questions, I'll keep the call open for next 5 minutes, and then could you give some tips to seek remote jobs in abroad? Uh, these are the things that we need to do. We need to keep applying for different jobs, keep creating connections, get in touch with the HRs, recruitment managers, create connections, post them a good, when you are sending a connection request, give them a good post, write down a good introduction about yourself. These are some basic things. I mean, it's all luck, but yeah, just don't stop trying from your side. Don't think that I have applied 1,000 jobs and not getting it. Getting a abroad job is very difficult thing, right? So do not lose hope. Keep trying, keep applying, and yeah, that's it. 2 more minutes, and then we'll wind up the session. I hope you're enjoying my streams. I am really these days it's very difficult for me to post regular videos, so I have stopped posting regular videos. Even my editor is also on leave, so I'm just going live every Sunday. Soon my channel will be more active. I'll post more and more videos soon. More and more contents are coming up, statistics, machine learning. Okay, that's it, guys. Have a good night. Tomorrow is bloody Monday. Again, back to work. And see you next Sunday. And the next Sunday session could be on any topic. If you are a part of my community, if you are a part of my LinkedIn family, you will get to know about it. Please like this video, share this video in case you want to, and subscribe my channel to get the future updates. That's it. Sonu, you have a question? If you have a question, you can ask. Okay. Uh, Good night, guys. Have a good day. Have a good night, and see you. Bye bye.